Good morning, everyone. Today we're looking at another Pagani design. There's quite a sort of appeal for these kind of watches. I get a lot of comments asking about to do this one, do that one. So I thought, go on then, I'll do some more. I try to sort of branch out to as many brands as I can, usually off Amazon because it offers the best sort of scheme to buy and return watches. So yeah, let's have a look at this one, shall we? So let's look at the box. A simple sort of card outside layer with a Pagani Design rainbow sort of tint to the logo. Usually something you've got to watch with Pagani Design is the box is usually well and truly stuck into the cardboard cover. But this one's already torn, so it might be okay. Yeah, as you can see, it is still a bit stiff. I know I've got gloves on, but it shouldn't really be this difficult to pull the thing off. I think it's because the texture of the box just gets stuck to it. So it's a simple fold over lid, brown sort of outside cover, revealing a simple fabric cushion inside here. Nice beige cream style watch cleaner, and inside obviously we've got that watch sitting on a black cushion with our manuals just tucked in the side here. So here we go, guys. This is the Pagani Design Milgauss Homage 1733. So it's a 39mm case diameter with a 12mm case thickness, retails around about £100 and weighs 144 grams, uses a NH35 Japanese automatic movement. Let's get that sticker off the side here. Yes, as you can see, I don't know if you saw that, but that was a sapphire sticker on the glass there. It's synthetic sapphire. I'm not sure of the differences between synthetic sapphire and sapphire. I imagine it's quite obvious the differences, but I'm not going to get into that in case it's wrong. So let's look at that dial there. So we've got a Z blue sunray style dial, as you can see from the light reflecting around it. Fully luminous increments and fully luminous hour and minute hands, and we've got that lightning bolt Milgauss inspired seconds hand that sweeps around there with the automatic movement. Of all sort of stainless steel inside to the actual face of the watch, no sort of markings inside there. Overall, it's very, very nice, stylish kind of watch, and it weighs quite nicely, it feels quite nice, and the strap doesn't feel tinny or anything like that, so it's a nice thing. So yeah, so coming out to the casing, got full stainless steel casing. The water with this, I believe, is going to be 30 or 50 meters, I believe, but I'm not going to confirm that until I can check the back of the watch and the specs on the back, because all the information I get is from the specs, and if it doesn't specify, then I can't tell you. Coming out to the bezel, instead of having a fluted bezel, you've got not instead of anything, but instead of that fluted style, you've got a plain flat style ring, just detailing around the green outer ring that sits inside the actual glass there. Let's have a look at the crown and have a look at how it operates. It's a screw down crown. Got very nice wind motion. First position doesn't do anything, so it's a double position crown, but the first position doesn't do anything. Second position, a nice amount of feedback to the actual crown. It doesn't feel tinny whatsoever. It feels just right. Everything seems in order there. So coming down to the strap, you've got a 20mm style strap, oyster petrol style, adjustable by little tiny screws on the side there. Coming down to the clasp, let's have a look at the clasp. It's double fold over style clasp with a safety buckle, assuming it wants to come undone. Let's get this bit of plastic off first. Very simple stainless steel inside system. mixture of brushed and polished effect. It's got a nice firm click down as well. One thing I forgot to check was whether it had easy link system in it. Yes, it does have an easy link system in there, I believe. Yeah. Just got to be careful when you pull that easy link system out, because it might just pull the links off. It's a nice firm click down to that as well, nice and secure. So come round to the back plate. Rather than having a skeleton back plate, you've got a filled-in back plate. Water resistance to 100 metres, not 50 metres or anything like that. PD1733 on the back there, and no sort of quick release on the strap or anything like that. So there we go, guys. That is the Pagani Design Milgauss 1733 Homage.